Hi and welcome to official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of getting dental veneers right here in Istanbul, Turkey. Whether you're considering veneers for a perfect smile or want to know more about the procedure, this video is for you. So what are dental veneers? Dental veneers are 10 custom-made shells placed over the front of your teeth to improve their appearance. They're often used to correct issues like stained, chipped, or misaligned teeth, giving you a natural, white, and symmetrical smile. Now let's go and see what is the step-by-step procedure of getting dental veneers. Here's how dental veneers procedure works at Lema Dental Clinic. The first step is the consultation and planning. First, we'll meet you to understand your goals and assess your dental health. We'll take x-rays and digital scans to create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your smile. Once your teeth are prepared, we'll place temporary veneers so that you can get a feel for your natural smile while the final veneers are being crafted in the lab. The next step will be veneer fabrication. Our lab uses advanced technology to create custom veneers that match your original tooth color, shape, and size. This usually takes a few days to complete. Then it will be the final placement step. When your custom veneers are ready, we'll remove the temporary ones and carefully place the permanent veneers, adjusting them for a perfect fit. After ensuring they look and feel natural, we'll bond them securely to your teeth. The last step is polishing and final touches. After the veneers are in place, we polish them to perfection, giving you a flawless, beautiful smile that's ready to the world. Now, why choose dental veneers in Istanbul? Istanbul is one of the best places for dental tourism, offering high-quality treatments at a fraction of the cost compared to many Western countries. At Lema Dental Clinic especially, we combine expert care with advanced technology to give you a smile that you will love. At Lema Dental Clinic, we believe everyone deserves a beautiful smile. If you're thinking about dental veneers or have any questions, leave us a comment below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more dental tips. We can't wait to help you achieve your dream smile here in Istanbul.